All right, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about volume, market capitalization, and how price kind of ties all in together in your stock market journey. Now, if you're continuing our journey, this is part 3. Make sure that you checked out part 1 and part 2 so you can follow through with us. Also, if you like some of our content, make sure you subscribe to our page and make sure you drop a like. All right, now volume. Anytime a transaction is made inside of the market, a buy, a sell, volume is counted. Now, one thing with volume, no matter what app you use, no matter what screener you use, you should have a criteria to search for volume. One thing I would suggest, make sure that you trade liquid stocks when you are trading. What I mean by that is, if you see a stock that has 0 volume and you buy 1,000 shares of that stock, you may be stuck with those 1,000 shares when you go to sell because there may not be another person on the other side. So there are a lot of stocks out there that have no volume. Make sure that you stay away from those. When you do your screeners, search for stocks that usually at minimum have over 100,000 shares a day. Those are liquid, therefore you can get yourself in and out. Now, market capitalization in the stock market. I'm gonna call it market cap for this video. It's the total amount that the company is worth. If you were to take the share price and multiply that by shares outstanding, which we'll get into in a later video, you would come up with the market capitalization. Now, these companies, these stocks, they kind of fit into 3 major categories and they break down into many micro categories. For small cap stocks, they're usually $2 billion and under. So any company worth $2 billion or under would be considered a small cap stock. Mid cap stocks would be between $2 billion and $10 billion, and large cap stocks would be above $10 billion. Now, a way that you can kind of use a little strategies in them. If you're a trader and you're looking for volatility, which is a lot of movement in price, you want to go to the smaller ones because those move very fast, but they are very dangerous. So make sure you fully understand what you're getting yourself involved with. If you're looking for something a little slower or maybe a better company that you want to invest your money in, I advise you go into the mid cap or to the large cap companies because those companies will be here in the future. The best way I can really put that. With the small caps, it's a lot of shady stuff going on. There's a lot of market manipulation. If you don't understand how manipulated the market is, I would say stay away from that day trading in small cap. Start off with the bigger stocks and then work your way on down. So once again in this video, we covered volume, we covered market cap, and then the last thing we're going to talk about is price because volume and market cap affects price. Now as far as penny stocks, penny stocks are considered any stock under $5. So it's not just the penny ones. Anything under $5 would be considered a penny stock. Usually, the higher the market capitalization, the higher the price of the stock. In most cases, that's just kind of how it goes. Now, when we're talking volume and price, and this is where market manipulation comes in a true open fair market, if I have something at $1 and somebody buys it from me, that next person that bought it from me only bought it from me because they believed that the price was going to go up. So then they would maybe sell it for $1.05, and every time it bounced around, the price would go up. Now, fully understanding the market, sometimes we have millions and millions and millions or billions of shares being bought, and our price is not actually getting to the next spot. That right there is a true sign that there is market manipulation going on. If you would like to know more about that, make sure you continue to follow us on this journey. Make sure you like our YouTube page. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like these videos. Like I said, I will never charge you guys for any of this information, but if you want to support the mission we got going on, we have a nonprofit organization called Community Level Up. To make a long story short, we work to build better communities and we cultivate and empower members of those communities in order to help them reach great things. I will see you guys soon on part 4. We're going to go a little deeper into criteria, but to this point, you already should have your app all set to paper trade. You should have a screener all set. You got a little bit of an idea, so get on out there, try them things, and remember, when you first start trading, you're going to lose, so don't put your hard-earned capital in there. Paper trade, take the journey slow. You'll be happy at where you are when we come out on the other side. All right, you guys have a fantastic day. Looking to talk to everybody soon.